What's up, Rockstars? Welcome back to the Rockstarflipper YouTube channel. Happy Easter to everybody. First day of April, a new month. Time to get back to work. A new quarter, in fact. January, February, March. 3 months out of the way, 1 quarter. That means time for me to pay quarterly sales tax, of course. Duh. Joy. Anyways, title of the video, you guys saw it. We're gonna jump over to my computer. eBay purchases Mercari. You guys saw it. You guys saw it. The selling platform, the app that you guys have grown to love and see. eBay paying billions to own it. All right, so here we go. The breaking news is that eBay buys Mercari for $2.1 billion, and Amazon is responding to eBay's latest purchase of Mercari right away. Not. All right, so obviously, the first day of April, happy Easter and happy new quarter, but also April Fools. eBay not buying Mercari. Everyone calm down. Everyone who had a heart attack, make sure that you don't have a heart attack anymore. It's false. I had to get you guys a little bit. I just want to wish you a happy Easter. Make sure everybody had a wonderful weekend and is ready for the new quarter, the new second quarter here of eBay. If you have questions, concerns, comments about anything we've discussed in the beginning of this year or last year or at all in general, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll be happy to get to as many as I can. All the rest of you who know the answers, feel free to jump in and comment and reply to those as well. What do we have to cover? Pretty much everything you guys need is down there in that description box. If you want to join the Facebook group, we're closing in on 70,000 members. If you want to join the VIP group before I close it forever, make sure that you do hit me up, rockstarflipper@gmail.com for that. And anything else you guys need at all, I'm available and I appreciate it. And make sure that you enjoy your family, your friends, everything else. And we'll get back to work tomorrow on Monday and I will see you guys then with a regularly scheduled video. So thank you everyone for joining me. Sorry to give you a heart attack. Sorry to get you here on April Fools, but I had to throw something out there. I love all of you and I'll see you tomorrow. Later.